Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. How y'all been doing today? So I'm so excited about today's video. So I want to talk about two of the worst products that you can use when installing any type of hair in your head for the purposes of braids or spring twists. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So y'all, I know that it's been a minute. I know that I don't release videos as often as I had previously, but I am just transitioning. And so right now I'm just not able to put out frequent videos as I would like to at this stage in my life. However, just know that I have not forgotten about y'all. I carry you guys in my heart. I have been thinking of all of you guys. I miss you, and just know that that's real. So let's get into today's video. So the first product that I want to talk about is actually one of my favorite products, but I do not recommend it for using it as a moisturizer in order to install braids, twists, spring twists, whatever have you. So that product that I speak of is none other than the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. Of course, all of you guys who have been rocking with Shea Moisture for a while know that this particular conditioner in the brand is somewhat of a two-in-one. Of course, you can use it as a rinse out conditioner after shampooing your hair, but you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. Now, I know that a lot of people have mixed emotions about that. Some people apply this particular conditioner as a leave-in and have positive results, and some are like, no, conditioners are not made for you to leave in your hair as a leave-in product. So I decided to give it a try on more than one occasion. I tried it in actual box braids, and I've also tried it in spring twists. Now, this specific set of spring twists, but in previous spring twists that you guys may have seen me in within the last month, I believe, or so. It wasn't good, y'all. What I found is that I actually experienced, I actually experienced some hair breakage, more hair breakage than one would normally experience when you normally take down your braids. And I didn't like that. So I definitely, for that reason alone, that kind of stopped me from using it as a moisturizer when installing my braids. Also, I find that for me, I don't know if they've changed the formula in this or not, but I found that this product just doesn't work well as a leave-in for me. It doesn't really penetrate my strands in the way that I would like versus if I use it as a washout conditioner versus a leave-in conditioner. In fact, I found that it sat on top of my strands when braiding my hair. I just didn't like it, y'all. So for that reason alone, I definitely do not recommend this particular product in the line of the Raw Shea Butter Shea Moisture line. I just don't recommend it. Now, moving right along because I'm just rambling. Now, I do recommend that whenever you are installing braids, you may want to add a little bit of gel while in the braiding or twisting process, just to kind of set things in place, keep things in place. The problem is there are certain gels that you should use in my personal experience, but this one gel specifically, I just don't recommend it. And it's not the brand, but it's the particular, it's one of their gels in their line. So, EcoStyle Gel. I love EcoStyle Gel. EcoStyle Gel is one of my favorite gel brands out there. And I have experimented with quite a few of their different gels in their EcoStyle line. However, I decided to try the For All Hair Types alcohol free. And this is the Crystal Gel. Typically, I don't use clear gels or crystal gels because it seems as though they always tend to flake up and leave a residue behind. And this one in the EcoStyle line is no different. I found that putting the gel in, applying it as I'm installing braids. That was no issue. The problem is when it dries. When it dries, it tends to leave a flaky white residue behind, and that's just a no-go for me. So for instance, I used it in these particular twists that I have, and you probably can't see it now because I've rinsed it out. But, and I done messed it up too. But I could see white residue in between my twist here. So I literally had to take water and pick at it to get the white residue out. That to me just messes up an entire style. So I definitely do not recommend the Eco Crystal Style Gel. Whatever you do, don't use either of these products. Well, let me rephrase. I don't recommend either of these products when installing braids. I am curious. Have you ever done your own braids, spring twists, or kinky twist, or whatever have you that causes for you to have to use gel and a moisturizing product? If so, let your girl know, what do you use? Or if you want to suggest the product that I use, put it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you toodles in the next one. Smooches.